Hello, today we will be doing the assembly of the 110 slot marker pencil rack, lid, and safety add-on bracket set. First, we want to attach the lid to the 110 slot marker pencil rack by placing it and sliding it over the fixture. Next, we will use the supplied hardware to attach 5 screws to the bottom of the fixture. At this point, the unit can be rotated upwards, and you will attach 1 screw in the center hole. At this point, rotate the unit. At this point, we will attach the safety add-on bracket set, which includes a right bracket, a left bracket, 4 flathead screws, and 2 self-tapping screws. First, you will take the right bracket and align with the outside holes on the fixture, and 2 flathead screws, and attach the bracket to the assembled unit. Now you will take the left bracket and the remaining 2 screws and secure the left bracket to the unit. Now you'll take the 2 self-tapping screws and secure the back side of the safety add-on brackets to the assembled unit. Apply slight force to start the screw into the assembled unit. And repeat the same step on the left bracket. safety add-on bracket has been fully assembled onto the unit. Now you can take the crossbar, attach it to the gondola unit. And slide over, and this creates a firm attachment to the gondola.